So hey there everyone, so today we'll be discussing another warm-up coding problem. So if you're joining any programming competition soon, you must watch this one. So in this example, we will be discussing how to actually analyze the problem description, and we will be going through each line of codes and explain them to you. So the example today is a very big sum. A very big sum is a continuation. It's something like a continuation of our previous problem, which is simple sum array. So let's look at the problem description, and then we will discuss this further. So for the problem description, we have to calculate and print the sum of the elements in an array. Keep in mind that some of the integers may be quite large. So here is the sample input. We have 5, 1000, and a large number, and then another large number, and then 9. So let's analyze this problem. So we have to calculate and print the sum. So it's quite easy. We have already discussed how to do this of the elements in an array. So we have the array there below, and we have an integers, but some of these may be large. So what do we mean by this? So here are our small integers. So integers are actually in this range. So we have negative 2,147,483,648 up to 2,147,480,647. So with that, some of our numbers are actually out of range. And how should we handle these numbers? So this is where we are going to use long. So a long data type has a larger range of values that we can put in it. So as you can see there. Alright, so in this case, instead of using integers, just like what we did in our previous example, we'll be using long. So how are we going to implement this? So here is the step-by-step approach. Okay, so we will have a sum, which would be initialized to 0, and then we would have a cursor that we will traverse through the entire array. So 0 plus 5 will be 5. We add another 1000, and then 5 plus 1000 is 1005. And then we add this large number, and then we get this result, and then add another large number to get this result. And finally, add 9. Okay. So this is the result of that. So how are we going to implement this? So here is the coding implementation. Alright, the method signature, we would have a parameter which has a long array, and we would have to return a long value. So long, as mentioned earlier, would hold larger range of numbers. So sum variable, declare the sum variable with type long. So sum is equal to 0, which has a type long, and then return the sum. And then we have to loop through the entire array. So this is a for each. If you don't know how this works, it's quite simple. It will go through one by one on each of the elements of the array. So I will be showing you how later how for each works. Alright, so here is a for each, and it will go through like this. Now we have this array. It is passed to our method, and then we will initialize our sum to 0. Now, we go through the for each. We would have a cursor in the first element of the array, and then add it to the sum. So it's now 5. And now go through the second element, which is 1000, and add it again to the sum, which is 1005. And go to the third, add it, and then go to the fourth, then add it again, and then go to the fifth, and then add it again. So if you can see here, we don't have to monitor already what is the index that we are using. So in for each, it is automatically iterated from the start of the array until the last element of the array. And then we return the sum, as you can see here. Alright, it's very simple, as you can see. So with that, if you have any questions, just let me know. If you have any problem, a coding problem that you want me to discuss, just comment it down below. Like and subscribe if you want more of these videos, and good luck on your programming competition. Bye!